Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this product, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
The Puffy D Insecticide Bulb Duster is an easy-to-use duster that can hold up to 14 ounces of insecticidal dust. Modeled after the popular centrobulb and grenade dusters, this duster is ideal for treating hard-to-reach areas deep within cracks, voids, or under appliances. This duster features a thick rubber body with a metal top, ensuring durability and repeated use over a long period of time. The applicator tip is brass and curved so you can apply dust around the corners of unseen spaces. The Puffy D Insecticide Bulb Duster includes a 12-inch brass extension rod to help treat further areas where pests may be hiding. This product also comes with a plastic funnel for easy filling and a rubber cap end to prevent leakage. While the Puffy D Insecticide Bulb Duster is great for treating deep into cracks and voids, its large size and heavy weight make this product not as accessible for some users. Additionally, this product does not come with a ball bearing to break up clumps or a cleaner to clean out the applicator tip or extension rod. For a duster that's easier to use and maintain, we recommend the Pro Blow handheld duster. This duster may have a smaller application rod and smaller reservoir capacity, but its size and shape make it easy for anyone to use. It also comes with a ball bearing to help break up clumps of dust and a cleaning rod to unclog the applicator when necessary. The Puffy D Insecticide Bulb Duster is ready to use and no additional tools are required. If desired, you can install the included 12-inch extension rod to treat spaces further away. Simply unscrew the applicator tip at the brass nut on the end of the duster's cap. Replace it with the extension rod by attaching the nut end to the cap. Then screw in the applicator tip at the end of the extension rod. Ensure all connections are tightened and you're ready to apply. To prepare your duster for application, twist open the cap and place the funnel over the bulb duster's opening. Fill the bulb duster to about halfway full with your pesticide dust of choice. We recommend Defense Dust, a waterproof insecticidal dust labeled to stop pests like cockroaches, bed bugs, or even overwintering pests from crossing and infesting protected spaces. Be sure to allow for airspace so the duster can function properly. Before applying the dust, twist the cap back on and shake the Puffy D Insecticide Bulb Duster at least 3 times to break up any clumps of dust. To apply dust, remove the cap end at the tip to begin applying the product in the desired location. Squeeze the rubber bulb to produce dust, and begin applying to target areas. The Puffy D Insecticide Bulb Duster is useful for crack and crevice treatments, wall voids, and spot treatments in the home such as under appliances, carpets, baseboards, and around plumbing. The duster's rubber tip also allows for extra safety when applying dust behind electrical plates. The Puffy D Insecticide Bulb Duster makes dust applications easier and more efficient. With its high-capacity rubber bulb and extendable, curved brass tip, you can get more coverage in deeper spaces with a duster that will last you a long time. You should notice your pest activity drop significantly 2 weeks after your initial dust application. For total control, you'll need to follow up with an additional application and additional products labeled for your target pest. Shop for the Puffy D Insecticide Bulb Duster on our website or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.